Good morning, students. How are you? Very good. Okay. Today we will learn addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay. First we will discuss the addition and subtraction of like fractions. Okay. And the rule is the sum of two or more like fractions can be obtained as follows. First, step 1. Just add the numerators. And step 2, retain the common denominator. Since the like fractions are the fractions with common denominator, so we will retain the common denominator. And step 3, write the fraction as result of step 1 divided by result of step 2. Okay. Let us add 3 by 5 and 1 by 5. These are the like fractions because their denominators are same. First, step 1, we just add the numerators, that is 3 plus 1, and next step 2, retain the common denominator, that is the denominator will be the same, and therefore this is equal to 4 divided by 5. Understand? Any query, students? Another example is 3 divided by 10 plus 7 divided by 10. Here these are the like fractions because their denominators are same. We just add the numerators and retain the common denominator, and therefore this is equal to 10 divided by 10, that is equal to 1. Okay. Next rule is the difference of two or more like fractions can be obtained as follows. The difference of two or more like fractions can be obtained as follows. First, step 1, subtract the smaller numerator from the bigger numerator. Okay. First, subtract the smaller numerator from the bigger numerator. Next, step 2, and retain the common denominator. And step 3 is write the fraction as result of step 1 divided by result of step 2. For example, subtract 3 by 10 from 8 by 10. Therefore, this is equal to 8 by 10 minus 3 by 10. We just subtract the numerators and retain the common denominator. Therefore, this is equal to 5 divided by 10. Now, this fraction is not in its simplest form, because 5 and 10 have a common factor, and this is 5. HCF of 5 and 10 is 5. So, to make its simplest form, we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 5, and therefore, we get this is equal to 1 by 2. Up to this portion, any problem, students? Okay. Then addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Okay. Now we will discuss the addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. And first question is subtract 3 by 4 from 5 by 6. Subtract 3 by 4 from 5 by 6. First, we need to find their equivalent fractions which have the common denominators. Okay. And the common denominator is given by the LCM of 4 and 6. Okay. And the common denominator is given by the LCM of 4 and 6. First, we need to find the their equivalent fractions. Which have common denominator. And the common denominator is given by LCM of 4 and 6. Okay. Now, LCM of 4 and 6 is 12, isn't it? LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Therefore, to make the denominator 12, we multiply this fraction by 3, and to make the denominator 12, we multiply this fraction by 2. That is, we get 5 by 6 minus, first we subtract 3 by 4 from 5 by 6. Therefore, this is equal to 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. To make the denominator 12, we multiply this fraction, that is both the numerator and the denominator, by 2. And we get this is. And to make the denominator 12, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3. Therefore, this is equal to 3 cross 3 divided by 4 cross 3. This is equal to 10 divided by 12 minus 9 divided by 12, isn't it? Now, these are like fractions, therefore, from previous rule, we just subtract the numerators and retain the common denominator. Therefore, this is equal to 1 divided by 12. Okay. And this is equal to 1 divided by 12. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Therefore, to make the denominator 12, we multiply this fraction by 2 and this fraction by 3. And therefore, we get the result 1 divided by 12. Understand? Next. Now, we will do the exercise 7.6. Exercise 7.6, question 1a. Two by 3 plus 1 by 7. Now, these are unlike fractions because their denominators are different. Therefore, we need to find the equivalent fractions which have the common denominator, and the common denominator is given by the LCM of 3 and 7. Now, LCM of 3 and 7 is 21, isn't it? Therefore, to make the denominator 21, we multiply this fraction by 7. And this fraction by 3, and we get this is, therefore, this is equal to 14 divided by 21 plus 3 by 21. Now, they are like fractions because their denominators are same. Therefore, from previous rule, we just add the numerators and retain the common denominator. Therefore, this is equal to 14 plus 3 divided by 21. That is 17 divided by 21. Okay. Up to this portion, any problem, students? Okay, very good. Next question B. Okay. 1B. Three by 10 plus 7 by 15. Here the fractions are unlike fractions. Therefore, we need to find their equivalent fractions which have common denominator, and this common denominator is given by the LCM of 10 and 15. Now, we will find the LCM of 10 and 15 first. And therefore, LCM of 10 and 15 is equal to 5 cross 2 cross 3, that is 30. Therefore, to make the denominator 30, we multiply this fraction by 3 and this fraction by 2, and therefore, we get 3 cross 3 divided by 10 cross 3 plus 7 cross 2 divided by 15 cross 2. Okay. This is equal to 9 divided by 30 plus 14 divided by 30. Therefore, this is equal to 9 plus 14 divided by 30. This is equal to 23 divided by 30. Understand? Any problem, students? Up to this portion, any problem? Okay.